Good day mga kasponga. Sana po ay nasa mabuti yung kalagayan. Maraming salamat po sa suporta sa 30 subscribers. Ayan po ang aking kakay mga kasponga. Ayan po ang aking kakay. Hello kakay. Hi, say hi kakay. Ayan po. So mga kasponga, ito pong video to ay gusto ko lang pong mag-share sa inyo ang latest updates, latest performance level, hindi ko alam. So mga kasponga ay ngayon po ay kukunin ko po yung aking leather suit. So sa ano po, check nyo po ang aking car seat cover. Yan, ano lang po siya, tawag po dito, tela lang po siya, tela lang. So pasensya na po, medyo makalat ang yan po. So matagal na po siya matagal na po siyang car seat cover. So yan, natatanggal-tanggal siya. So yun, meron po tayong nakuhanan. So share ko po sa inyo. German leather po siya. At panahon na rin po na para mag-upgrade. Ay, ang kakay ko kumakaway. Yay kakay. So yan po mga kasponga. So nakuha ko po siya worth 5,000. At natawaran po 5,500 po talaga ang kanyang original price. At natawaran po natin. So mamaya po papakita ko po sa inyo kung ano itsura ng German leather na to. So mga kasponga, sit back, relax. Ayan po siya mga kasponga. It's at after how many years ay mapapalitan na yung car seat cover natin. So mga kasponga, magbabalik po tayo pag tayo nandun na. Yan po kakay. Yeah, kakay. Yan po mga kasponga. Sige po, kita ito po mamaya. Let's go! Okay mga kasponga, dito tayo napagawa sa Lanuria's Car Upholstery. Dito po yan sa may Santa Rosa Laguna. So mga kasponga, laging tatandaan, Lanuria's Car Upholstery. Ayan po siya. Diyan po tayo napagawa. Worth 5,000 po. 5,500 po ang original, pero natawaran po natin ng 500. So 5,000 po ang ating binayad kay kuya. Maraming salamat kuya. Ayan po, papuntang Walter Mart. At ito naman po ang papuntang Complex, Santa Rosa Complex. Yan po, Lanuria's Car Upholstery. So mga kasponga, check nyo na lang po, panoorin po natin ang kung paano ayusin ni kuya ang ating car seat cover. So kuya, take it away. Let's go kuya!
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds have put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay.
Okay mga kasponga, ito yung final product mga kasponga. Check it out, check it out. Check nyo naman po, oh. Kita nyo naman, oh. Napaka smooth criminal mga kasponga. Tingnan mo naman, parang European car ang datingan. Elegance at its finest mga kasponga. Kita nyo naman po ang resulta ng ating bagong car seat cover. Sa likod naman mga kasponga, check it out. Yan, oh. Look at that. Look at that. Headrest. Ito po mga kasponga, talagang original kung talagang gusto is pure black. Pero si Mrs. ay nag-request ng shades of violet, pero wala silang kopya ng violet. Medyo ano, mapaklang violet, di masyadong maganda. So ito mga kasponga, maraming salamat sa Lanuria's car seat upholstery mga kasponga. Kung gusto nyo po, message nyo lang po ako at ibibigay po natin ang kanilang number mga kasponga. Check it out, oh. Okay mga kasponga, maraming salamat at lagi po tayo mag-iingat. God bless.